How to find who follows you on Amazon. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can see who follows us on Amazon. So let's just get started with the video without any delay and start. For that, you can head over to amazon.com, and once you are logged in, you'll be finding this products in your screen that you can purchase. So at the top, you can go to accounts and list first, and when you are here, you'll be finding this menu appear. So all you need to do is scroll down and here go to ordering and shopping preferences. So under this option, you'll be finding following list or follow a list. Go ahead and navigate to the process and look out for that. And after that is done, you just need to go ahead and click on that option. And when you go ahead and click on it, you'll be finding your follow a list right there. So that is how you do it. Following up this method, you can find your follow list on Amazon. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.